Today we're going to talk about 10 foods you can eat to detoxify your liver. First, there's garlic, which activates liver enzymes that help flush out toxins, and it contains sulfur compounds for detox. Beets are rich in antioxidants and nitrates. They support liver detox and help cleanse the blood. Leafy greens are high in chlorophyll, which absorbs toxins and promotes liver health. Grapefruit contains antioxidants like naringenin and vitamin C that boost liver cleansing processes. Avocados are rich in glutathione, which helps neutralize harmful substances in the liver. Turmeric increases bile production and helps detoxify chemicals and toxins from the liver. Walnuts are high in omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione. They support liver detoxification pathways. Green tea is packed with catechins, antioxidants that help improve liver function and protect against toxins. Lemons are vitamin C rich, helping convert toxic substances into forms that can be easily absorbed and eliminated. Apples are high in fiber and pectin, which help the body cleanse and remove toxins, easing the liver's load. If you want to find out the dangers of liver toxins when left unchecked, then click the video above. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on Fit for Life Nutrition.